Happy bahay, happy buhay. Mag-asawang patnubay, sa mag-asaway gabay.
Honey, I can't wait. Excited na ako. Bilis na. Ano yung ipapakita mo sa akin?
Alright, at the count of 3.
Yeah, tanggalin mo
1, 2, 3. Surprise!
Wow!
Claire, presenting all your childhood Christmas favorite. Alam mo, isa-isa ko talagang hinanap yan for you, ha. There's puto bumbong, the classic bibingka, chestnut, and our favorite fruit cake with lots and lots of rum.
Thank you.
Kasi Claire, sabi mo sa akin nung isang araw that you miss your dad so much, di ba? So in honor of Daddy Ross, sariwain natin yung magagandang alaala mo sa kanya tuwing sasapit ang araw ng Pasko.
Honey, thank you. I really appreciate your effort. Sobrang na-touch ako.
You're welcome.
Alam mo, this Christmas food really remind me of my childhood days. Kasi nga, Dad used to buy them every Christmas. We all have family holiday traditions that have been passed down to us by our parents. And we hold them dear in our hearts. You see, traditions bond us to those we love. Sino ba yung mga mahal natin? Pamilya, mga anak natin. We can always steal magical traditions from our childhood and pass it on to our children.
Right. You know naman, Claire, that I love everything about Christmas. And I want to instill that family value to our children. So today, let us talk about how we can create Christmas memories with them through old traditions.
Sige. Ako, honey, ang talagang favorite ko na tradisyon na ginagawa natin ng mga bata ngayon, yung opening of gifts
I like that.
during Christmas Eve. Alam mo naman ang love language ko, diba?
Receiving of gift and giving of gift.
Giving of gifts also. Kami po ni Bong, we are both anchored from a stereotype Pinoy family who opens gift on Christmas Eve. So, bisperas pa lang ng Pasko, may bigaya na. Since Christmas Eve, it is a long, late, dark night. What we would do to keep the kids awake, we would sit them by the sparkling tree, hand them over our gifts one by one, tapos sabay-sabay po naming bubuksan. Lahat kami talaga enjoy na enjoy.
That's true. Ako naman, Claire, I find communion very meaningful. One tradition that is worth passing to the next generation is the partaking of communion with the whole family while uttering a Thanksgiving prayer. Kami po tuwing Christmas Eve, ginagawa po namin yan. We gather around the table at isa-isa po kami starting from me down to our bunso. Nagsasabi po kami ng pasasalamat sa lahat ng ginawa ng Diyos sa buhay namin. And isa pa, Claire, no, sa lahat ng mga magulang, this is also the best time to talk about Jesus being the real focus of the season.
I agree. Ito pa, honey, isang tradisyon na excited tayong lahat. We all look forward to this. Waking up for the Noche Buena. I remember growing up as a kid, I always look forward to eating Noche Buena with my family kasi required po talaga kaming kumain ng Noche Buena sabay-sabay. And now, I'm just so happy because I have passed the baton to my children. Excited din po sila sa Noche Buena. In fact, they love to indulge on this traditional Yuletide feast like hamon, queso de bola, favorite nila yan, chocolate, relleno.
Fruitcake.
Honey, talagang ang Noche Buena is the highlight of the night. Ang sarap sariwain.
Anong masarap? The Noche Buena or the memories?
Pareho.
Both. This one, Claire, I'm sure a lot of our listeners can relate to this, especially
Sige.
those our age, di ba? Caroling.
Yeah.
Nakakamiss, di ba? During our time, we could freely go along the streets and magcaroling sa bawat bahay. Isa ito sa magandang alaala ng ating kabataan, Claire. And I want our kids to enjoy sana. Kaya lang, what we do now is that we ask them to serenade their grandparents, di ba? Kantahan nila ng Christmas songs, di ba? And after that, ready na sila to open their gifts.
Yeah. Nakakamiss ang caroling, honey, ano?
I know.
Alam niyo po, my dad passed away several years ago, taking with him the secret ingredient to our Christmas barbecue. It's a family holiday recipe. So now, I will no longer allow to let die all the family holiday traditions from my childhood. I will make sure to pass them on to my children and to the next generation, not just to create Christmas memories, but to make Christmas legacy.
Lagi po nating tandaan ng mag-asawang sabay manalangin.
Na pagtatagumpayan lahat ng suliranin.
Ako po si Bong Pineda.
At ako naman po si Claire para sa Happy Bahay.
Happy buhay!
Happy bahay, happy buhay. Mag-asawang patnubay, sa mag-asaway gabay.